Hello students, so we will study about the equilibrium of parallel force system in a space. So let's consider the 3D force system. So here we will draw the 3D force system. So coordinates are x, y and z. So now let's consider the forces in each direction which are parallel to each other. First of all, we will consider plane by plane. So consider the forces are parallel to y direction. Then we will consider forces parallel to x axis. And then we will consider forces parallel to z axis. So this is the force system in z direction. So let's have the force system like this. So parallel force system. So here first of all we will consider only one parallel system, that is this case 1, where all the forces are parallel to y direction. So first of all we should know what is equilibrium. So equilibrium, again we know summation of resultant is equal to 0. So this may be either a force or it is the moment. So now here the forces are in only one direction. It may be positive direction or the negative direction. So here if we consider the force system in any direction. So now consider the first case where the forces are parallel to x-axis. Then what will be the conditions of equilibrium? Because the force is not in any other direction, and hence we can say summation of fx is equal to 0. Now consider second part. If forces are parallel to y-axis, here it will be summation fy is equal to 0. Now consider the third part, where if forces are parallel to z-axis, then summation of fz is equal to 0. So these are the conditions of equilibrium. It will be only used when these forces are in specific direction x, y and z. So what if the forces are not parallel to any of the axes, and then what will happen? Now we will consider the next case where the forces are not parallel to any of the axes. Then how will be the equilibrium comes? So equilibrium, so if forces are parallel but in specific direction, then what will happen? Then summation of forces along that direction is equal to 0. So this is the condition of equilibrium when the forces are not parallel to the specific axis. So what does it mean? So what is equilibrium in this parallel force system? So here we can see the few forces are parallel to each other and they are like and unlike forces. So what is meant by like forces? So like forces, like parallel forces, direction is same. And unlike parallel forces, direction, they are parallel to each other but direction may be same or opposite. same or opposite. So now here we have seen the summation of forces along that direction is equal to 0. So it will consider positive forces as well as negative forces also. So what is the equilibrium in this parallel force system? So where forces along same direction is equal to forces along opposite direction. So here what is mean by this? So you can see this force F3, it is in this direction opposite to F1, F2, F4, F5. So if this system is in equilibrium, then we can say this F3 is equal to F1 plus F2 plus F4 plus F5. So this is what the equilibrium in the parallel force system. Hello student, so we will study resultant of parallel force system. First of all, we will consider this 3D force system where we can see the combination of this parallel force system. So here, what is resultant of the parallel force system? So first of all, we need to know what is resultant. So resultant, it is the combination of all the forces. The combination of all the forces and which will have the same effect on the system. So resultant is equal to combination of all forces. So consider a first case where forces parallel to x-axis. So what will be the resultant? So resultant will be summation of fx. So let's consider over here. So it is a summation of f1, f2, f3 and f4. So here we can write down this summation as f1. So we have to consider any one direction as positive and opposite direction will be negative. So this is in x direction. So we will consider along positive x the forces are positive and along negative x direction the forces are negative. So we can write over here f1 plus f2 minus f3 plus f4. So this is the value of your resultant. Now second one, we will consider the forces are parallel to y direction. So y direction, so resultant is equal to summation of fy. Similarly, if the forces are parallel to z direction, then resultant is equal to summation of fz over here. So if the forces are not parallel to any of the direction, then what will be your resultant? So resultant for the fourth case where specific direction then the resultant is equal to summation of forces along that direction. So this is the combination of the forces in the same direction with positive and negative forces. So this is your resultant of the parallel force system in a space. So how to calculate the position of the resultant in parallel force system?